In today's video, we will cover how to use Childcare Seer's Family Quick Add feature. From my dashboard, I click on the blue New button and choose Quick Family Add. I then choose the blue Add row, and I will enter a child's information with their name, date of birth, and address. I then click the blue Save button, and the child appears here on the list. We will now add primary adults to the child. Under the Primary Adults section, I click the plus button and choose Add New Adult. I will then add the adult's information, adding their name, relationship to the child, and any information that I need, such as a phone number. When I'm done, I click the blue Save button, and the adult appears here. I will then have the option to enroll the child into a program within my center. Under Child Programs, I click the plus button and choose a program. You must already have your program set up in your pricing menu in order to enroll children from this. I choose the program that I want the child to enroll in and can change expected hours here if I desire. I click Apply, and those hours will be set. I then choose the start date for the enrollment and set an end date if I want, and I will also assign the child to a class. Seer will then give me an option to either request this enrollment, put it on a wait list, or approve the enrollment directly from here. As I know I have space in my center, I choose Enroll, and the child's enrollment information shows up here. Using the pencil icon, you can edit the child, any adults, and any programs before you leave this screen. To add a new child, I simply click Add New, and I can add another child. If an adult has already been added into the system, you can also associate them with any new children by clicking on the plus button and relating an existing adult. And add any other enrollments as well. Once this has all been completed, click Done, and your families will be entered into Seer. When we go over to the Children menu, we can now see that these children are entered into our system, and clicking under Adults, we can see that the adult has been associated with these children. Thank you for watching.